We decided to take part to this initiative because of impact that we would like to create.
Want to participate in this project together with VisBlue is that we want to learn.
Arricchire la nostra conoscenza in questo ambito e magari poter creare nuovi prodotti partendo sempre dall'ottica dell'economia circolare.
How is sustainability and energy is incorporated in a big company like VisBlue?
È sempre un'esperienza formativa molto importante, incontrare altri team, creare nuove esperienze.
To be able to try to give our experience to a big company. We are meeting nice people here and also getting new ways of talking, new ways of designing. That's pretty cool to try out.
Tantissimi modi di pensare, di agire, ma soprattutto anche di creare.
We all have the same goal at the end of the day, is to improve the well-being of the people.